Hi, welcome to the video tutorial on how to test a proper termination when the BNC cable is connected to the DVR. Typically, the end of the line resistance at the DVR end should usually read between 75 to about 90 ohms. That's how you know when the BNC is properly terminated. To ensure that your cable is also properly terminated when connected to the DVR, connect one end to the BNC connector to the DVR, the other end disconnect from the camera, and take a multimeter, set it to the ohms resistance value, which is this horseshoe symbol or the omega symbol. Take the black lead of the meter, connect it to the outside connector of the BNC, take your red lead from the meter and touch the center conductor. Make sure you get enough surface area. The typical value you want to get is between 75 to 90 ohms. If it's reading within that value, then you know that you have a properly terminated cable. When this ensures, then that means that you will have a good quality video signal. If the value is too high or too low, then you can have other issues. Once again, thanks for watching.